5 minimalist principles that everyone can benefit from, even if you're not a minimalist. While waiting in line at the grocery store this week, I noticed the latest issue of Real Simple magazine. The headline Clutter-Free Home stood out, instantly capturing my attention. As my daughter was preoccupied with the various kid-friendly items strategically placed at the checkout, I seized the opportunity to pick up the magazine and quickly skim through its pages. It wasn't long before I found myself reading the editor's note on page 3, which reaffirmed the common misconceptions surrounding minimalism. The note stated, "You know what truly matters, but sometimes stuff just gets in the way." It further explained, while you don't need to embrace a full minimalist lifestyle by reducing your possessions to just a shirt, a bowl, and a spoon, you may sense that life would be more fulfilling with less clutter. Indeed, a life with less clutter is undeniably more fulfilling. However, the notion that a minimalist only owns a shirt, a bowl, and a spoon is a widespread misunderstanding perpetuated by the likes of the Real Simple editorial team and others. Minimalism is not about owning the bare minimum or embracing stark, empty spaces. It is a lifestyle centered around prioritizing what truly matters and deliberately eliminating distractions. It is a mindset where you recognize that you have enough, and that accumulating more does not equate to increased happiness. A minimalist lifestyle enriches your soul by providing the space and time to reflect inwardly and discover who you truly are. Minimalism often shifts the focus from your possessions to the person you are beneath them. Minimalism varies for everyone, depending on their lifestyle. As a full-on minimalist and mother of 2, I can assure you that I own more than one spoon. While minimalism does not adhere to strict rules, it encompasses certain guiding principles. 1. Question before you purchase. Minimalists are mindful consumers. When you own only what you use and love, you start to question why before making a purchase. This introspection uncovers truths that lead to greater self-awareness. Are your purchasing decisions driven by a desire to project a certain image or to conceal uncomfortable emotions? By scrutinizing their buying habits, minimalists create room to focus on the person behind the purchases. 2. A good deal isn't always necessary. Minimalists are deliberate about what they buy and bring into their lives. Once you realize that impulse shopping and purchasing items solely because they are discounted offer no real value, you stop. You develop a mindset that is immune to marketing tactics. Detachment from possessions and clarity on what truly matters prevent you from being swayed by advertising ploys. 3. Avoid the comparison trap. Minimalists do not feel compelled to keep up with the Joneses. True happiness doesn't stem from living like others or owning what they own. Living with less allows you to align your life with your authentic self. By replacing comparison with gratitude and authenticity, you discover how little you actually need to be content. 4. Prioritize what brings you joy. Minimalists prioritize experiences over possessions and adventures over material acquisitions. They understand that owning fewer things translates to more space, time, and energy for what matters most. Whether it's family time, spiritual practices, or leisure activities, these can become central themes in your life rather than afterthoughts. With less to clean and maintain, minimalists have more free time to engage in what truly brings them joy. 5. Choose sustainability. Minimalists are inclined to make eco-friendly choices. Reduced consumption naturally leads to less waste. Many minimalists opt for smaller homes, thereby decreasing their ecological footprint. When they do make purchases, they often choose sustainably made, high-quality items over accumulating inexpensive, mass-produced goods. A minimalist lifestyle inherently supports environmental sustainability. If you're contemplating adopting a minimalist lifestyle, I encourage you to take the leap. In my experience, it's a journey towards a life characterized by less stress and more significance. Even if the idea of becoming a full-fledged minimalist doesn't attract you, I still urge you to try incorporating at least one of these principles into your life.
To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. All Things Simple.